I honor my pain as a step towards growth. My pain is a part of my journey, not my destination. I allow myself to feel, understanding that healing follows. I face my pain with courage and emerge stronger. I treat myself with the kindness I offer to others. Every day I choose to be gentle with myself. Self-compassion is my path to inner peace. I forgive myself and embrace my imperfections. I release past hurts and embrace the present. Letting go is an act of strength, and I am strong. I free myself from the chains of past grievances. Each day I choose healing over holding on to hurt. I forgive others to free my heart. Forgiveness is a gift I give myself. I let go of resentment and welcome peace. Forgiving is my choice for a happier life. Vulnerability is my strength, not my weakness. I open my heart, knowing it leads to genuine connections. Being vulnerable allows me to grow and learn. I embrace my true self with courage. Inner peace is my true state of being. I cultivate peace within through mindfulness and meditation. Every breath I take increases my peace. I live in peace with myself and my surroundings. I conquer my fears with each courageous step. Fear is a natural emotion that I manage with confidence. I face my fears and find my freedom. I am braver than my fears and stronger than my doubts. I control my anxiety with slow, deep breaths. Each calm moment reassures my heart and mind. I choose peace over anxiety. I manage my anxiety with grace and patience. I am capable of handling stress with ease. I prioritize relaxation and self-care. Stress does not control my life, I do. I find healthy ways to release stress and restore balance. I replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. I focus on positivity to shape a happy, healthy mind. Negative thoughts are fleeting. My focus on joy is constant. I cultivate a mindset of abundance and positivity. I release guilt and embrace forgiveness. I learn from my past without guilt holding me back. Guilt serves as a lesson, not a life sentence. I forgive myself and move forward with wisdom. I am worthy of respect and love. My self-worth is defined by my values, not my accomplishments. I appreciate myself every day. I am valuable and deserving of all good things. I am resilient in the face of challenges. Adversity strengthens my character and spirit. I bounce back with greater strength and wisdom. Resilience is my natural response to life's ups and downs. I look at life with hope and optimism. Optimism is a choice I make daily. I find reasons to be hopeful and positive each day. My optimism empowers me to overcome obstacles. My inner strength is inexhaustible. I draw from my inner well of strength in times of need. Inner strength guides me through life's tough moments. I am fortified by my own resilience and determination. I embrace change as a pathway to growth. Change brings opportunities that I am ready to explore. I adapt and thrive in the face of new challenges. Each change in my life molds me into a better version of myself. I trust the process of my life's unfolding. Each step, even when unclear, is part of a greater plan. I am patient with the pace of my progress. Trusting the journey, I find peace in the present moment. I use moments of loneliness to reconnect with myself. Loneliness teaches me the value of my own company. I reach out and build meaningful connections. Solitude refines my appreciation for relationships. I cultivate self-discipline to achieve my greatest goals. Every day I make choices that align with my standards. Self-discipline brings me closer to my ideal life. My commitment to discipline is a commitment to my success. I view criticism as a tool to sharpen my skills. I accept constructive feedback with grace and use it to grow. Criticism teaches me resilience and opens pathways to improvement. I separate helpful advice from harmful negativity. Patience is a powerful tool that I develop every day. I remain calm and patient, knowing that good things take time. My patience often leads to greater rewards. I cultivate patience to deepen my understanding and empathy. I am confident in my abilities and trust my instincts. Every success, no matter how small, builds my confidence. I stand strong in my beliefs and values. Confidence is my silent partner in every challenge. I find joy in everyday moments and simple pleasures. Gratitude is at the heart of my happiness. Every day I choose to focus on what I am thankful for. Joy and gratitude turn ordinary days into blessings. I pursue my passions with a heart full of purpose. Finding my purpose drives me forward with unmatched energy. My actions are aligned with my deepest passions. Living my purpose fills me with joy and satisfaction. I am empowered to make impactful changes in my life. Every action I take is a step toward my empowerment. I act with confidence and clarity. My choices and actions reflect my power to shape my destiny.